In Gary, Indiana, a young Michael joins the Jackson 5, singing with hope as studio lights blink above. During Thriller, he commands a red jacket and black pants on a colossal stage, fog curling as lights cut the night. Next come Bad and Dangerous Tour, where he powers through massive crowds in daring outfits beneath roaring spotlights. Behind the curtain, a calm dressing room moment lets him pause, breathe, and gather strength for what follows. The series ends with an ethereal white tribute, Michael smiling as tranquil light surrounds him like a memory.